Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a classified ads site on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your sites where you can check out all of your sites. We have the setup, home, we have the settings option, and currently we are, as you can see, in the dashboard option where everything is happening. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a classified ad site on Wix. So you just need to firstly go to sites and add your site, or of course create new, or go into the site that you already have. So Google Ads with Wix, creating a campaign. So step one is get your business ready to advertise before you create a Google Ads campaign with Wix. Make sure you've completed the following setup steps in order to make your site legible. Then publish your site. Purchase a premium plan. Then step two is customize your ad settings and keywords. Step three is to create your ad content. And step four is to set your ad budget, and then just of course go and launch your website. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.